Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about healthcare medical systems. You know, the present day, when we are facing with the problem of corona, the healthcare system is an important topic to be studied, to be learned. You know, in the world there are different kinds of medical systems. Medical systems means the method and procedure for treatment. The use of medicines, the time taken to cure, the responses of the body, the responses of the individual, all those things are included in the medical systems. You know, you have heard about doctors. Those persons who are permitted by the society to treat any patient. Previous day, we had discussed about the illness, or you are not at ease, that is disease. Where against ease. So you should be brought back to be ease, at ease. How can we do it? So there are medical systems. You might have heard about MBBS. MBBS full form, I hope you know it. Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. You may be getting confused. MBBS. What kind of definition it is? It is like that. Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, that is the MBBS. Then you might have heard of BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicines. Then you might have heard about BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicines. There are other medical systems like Unani, acupuncture, and different countries will have different kinds of treatments, or different civilizations might have developed different kinds of civilizations. Now let us come to know the medical system that is world famous, allopathy. The persons who are permitted to treat as per the allopathy are the MBBS doctors. And before they start their treatment, they take an oath. It is known as Hippocrates oath. And Hippocrates is considered the father of allopathy medical systems. In normal terms, we call it English medicine. You might have heard about it. And you are experiencing it. You have gone to medical shops and purchased medicines. You have gone to hospitals and met to doctors. There are World Health Organization which is taking care of. Most of these systems follow allopathic medicines. You see what this is. It is a health system in which medical doctors, nurses, pharmacists, persons who are dealing with medicine and medicine. And other healthcare professionals are licensed. A doctor is licensed or permitted to treat. That is his degree. MBBS degree. He will be given official permission to treat. Telling that he has qualified. He has to pass the MBBS examination. To practice and to treat symptoms and diseases. Even symptoms. That which you may have disease. It's the beginning part of disease. Treatment is done with the medication and surgery. Sometimes if you have fallen down, or you have got appendicitis pain, they cut and remove. Or some materials are inside the stomach, or something happened inside the stomach. That is also medical care. So that is what we see. Medicine is the art and science. Medicine is the art and science of practice, caring for a patient and managing the diagnosis. Diagnosis means identifying what is the disease. One person is having headache. What is the reason to have headache? He may have a problem in the brain. He may have some problem on his veins, or he may have simple because of the food not good, or because of hot or cold. Some reasons will be there. So that reason would be identified by a person. That's a diagnosis. Diagnosed by diagnosis. Then prognosis, prevention means how to stop, how prevention should take place. Treatment or palliation means taking care of them, comfortably treating their injury or disease. Medicine encompasses a variety of healthcare practices evolved to maintain and restore health by the prevention and treatment of illness. Now, corona, everybody tells prevention is better than cure. You have to wear face mask, so much things you hear it. So, the prevention is needed. So, the doctors will tell you how and what are the reasons you may get corona. So, what you should do not to get corona. That is after getting fever, what medicine you should take. Same way, this also. So, that is it. Hippocrates is considered as the father of the modern medical system. He has described about the medical systems. He is from Greek. Because in his books, which are more than 770 BC, he described in a scientific manner many diseases and their treatment after detailed observation. So, more than 70 books he has written. And all those books we can see this kind of descriptions. So, at that time, as a stethoscope is not there. No, there are doctors who are able to identify the disease by getting the smell of the saliva or the situation. So, like that, Hippocrates has given the details. He is the father of modern allopathic medical system. He has lived more than 2,500 or 400 years before he lived. During that time, he has explained the causes of diseases and what should be the treatment for that, how that can be cured. Because your body system is not able to function normally, that is called you are not at ease, that you are diseased. Okay, you have a disease. So it's your responsibility to cure. He is the person, Hippocrates. Doctors take this author, he has his books about this, and this is this is a symbol of doctors. In their car, in their certificate, everywhere we can see this symbol. Another medical system, you might have heard about the Homeo. He is the father of Homeo medical system. He has no operations. It gives some kind of white tablets. It cures. It is originated in Germany. He is a person who has found out that medical system. Then we will come to the Indian medical system, Ayurveda system. It was found out by a person named Charaka. He has found out the medical system named Ayurveda. It's a system originated in India. In this system also there are no operations. Now latest government is trying to treat Ayurveda medical doctors also to operate the body. That is started. The government is planning, government has made some rules and regulations. And government is now formed Ayush ministry, combining all the medical systems. So these are different kinds of medical systems. Yeah. As I told you, there are Unani. That is a medical system that is in Iran. There is acupuncture. That is a medical system that is also in China. Some in acupuncture is good for some pain relieving. Unani has got some medicine that's normal, fever, all those things, it's very good. So different medical systems have got different effects. And different medical systems may have side effects also. So all these medical systems are helping the people to be healthy and to live a good life. This is normal. Even we call it a mental disease. That also medical system has. It has to be cured. It will be treated. So any medical system to make the person or bring the person back to the normal life, that is a medical system. That's a curing. It has to cure. It has to give medicines for it. That is what the medical systems are. Okay, let us hope so.